Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, mayroon tayong 10 cents ng Canada dito guys, na mayroong taon na 2006 na si Queen Elizabeth II. Fourth portrait ito guys, at magnetic ito guys. So ito yung short information nya guys. In Canada, a dime is a coin worth of 10 cents. It has been the physically smallest Canadian coin since 1922. It is smaller even than the country's penny, despite its higher face value. According to the Royal Canadian Mint, or RCM, the official national term of the coin is the 10-cent piece. But in practice, the term dime predominates in English-speaking Canada. It is nearly identical in the size to the American dime. Unlike its American counterpart, the Canadian dime is magnetic due to a distinct or metal composition. From 1968 to 1999, it was composed entirely of nickel, and since 2000, it has consisted of steel core with a fleeting composed of a layer of nickel and copper. Dime Canada value of 0.10 Canadian dollar with mass of 1.75 grams and a diameter of 18.03 mm with a thickness of 1.22 mm. And the edge is mild with the composition of nickel plated steel, 92% steel and 5.5% copper, and also to 2.5% nickel plating with the year of minting 1858 and the present. At ito yung obverse natin guys. The obverse design, Elizabeth II, Queen of the Canada, by Susanna Bland, design on 2003, and also by Charles III, King of Canada, discontinued in 2023, and also the designer Stephen Rosati on 2023, and the reverse design by the Blue Nose owner by the help of Mr. Emmanuel Han, based on the photographs of the Blue Nose on 1937 ang kanyang date. The most prevalent version of the coin features of the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, and although the new version featuring Charles III was introduced in 2023, the reverse continues a representation of the Blue Nose, a famous Canadian owner, according to the Royal Canadian Mint. Artist Emmanuel Hunt developed his design for the 10-cent coin from photos of the famous Blue Nose owner. The coin is produced by the RCM at its facility in Winnipeg. The word dime comes from the French word meaning tight, or the thin part, from the Latin decima, pars. It is actively also displayed at the eBay selling online with the price of $139.99 and graded from the NGC with PF70. And also the 2006P, meron siyang 14% at ang kanyang fine is 4.40 centavos. Very fine 5 pesos and 10 centavos. Extra fine 7 pesos. About uncirculated 12 pesos. Uncirculated is 32 pesos.